Hi guys, today we're going to talk about something that a lot of our customer has asked us, how to keep our lashes and how do we clean the lashes. So MLEN came out with this lash gel clearer, okay, which is supposed to help us to clean the lashes, specifically for MLEN Magnetic Lashes. So it's good and suitable for removing even makeup and also oil secretion that is left on our lashes to keep it clean. So you can purchase this from us. Okay, so it comes in a bottle of 60 ml. I think you can use it many times. So what do we need other than this? We also need a cotton bud and of course some tissues. Okay, first of all, separate them apart into two pieces. You need to clean them one by one. Okay, just squeeze a little bit on our hand. Okay. So I usually use a cotton bud, okay? One side I will use it to actually get the gel and one side I will keep it dry, okay? So how do you do it is you gently get one piece and then you just gently clean them, okay? On the lashes, the magnet, okay? Clean them both sides. So if there are extras like of the gel, okay, that is left on the lashes, use the other dry side to actually wipe them away. Please remember and make sure that the lashes is dry at all time as other than the cleaning time, okay? Just make sure that it's dry because that magnet is also considered a metal, so we don't want the magnet to oxidize and cause it to rust. So in order to keep our lashes long lasting, just make sure that it's dry at all time. So after you clean it, make sure that the lashes is dry too. So do the same thing with the other pair. Just take a little bit of the lashes, the gel, then clean the lashes on both sides. After cleaning it, do the same thing. Use the other side to wipe away the excess gel that is left on the lashes. Make sure that it's clean and dry at all time. We always emphasize this. Make sure that your lashes is always dry, in dry condition. So after you clean them, don't stick them back together immediately. Leave them to air dry for, let's say, about 3 to 5 minutes, and to make sure that everything is dry before you actually stick them back. Okay, and if you feel that there's still a little bit of wetness, you can use the additional cotton bud just to make sure it's dry. So make sure you air them. After you air them for about approximately 5 minutes, okay, then what you can do is you can just gently stick them back together. So how do you put them in the box? So when you put them in the box, make sure that you always have this sticker on with you. Don't tear and throw it away, okay? Put the lashes back to the box. Put the magnet face down, okay? This is so that we can always keep the best shape of our lashes, okay? And because there's no pressure on the lashes itself. So just keep it in this way, stick it back. And there you go. This is how you keep your lashes clean and dry.